Afternoon, everyone. This is Aaron with NFI Empire. Thank you for joining us on this virtual test drive. It's a gorgeous day outside. It's a little bit hot, but the air conditioning works great in this 2008 Hummer H3. In my opinion, the H3 is kind of the pinnacle of the General Motors Hummer design as far as consumer friendly goes. It's got a lot of room inside. It's not a huge vehicle, so it's easy to park, easy to drive around town. This one is on a suspension lift with 35-inch tires, so it has an aggressive look. And it's a H3 Alpha, so that has a 5.3-liter V8 General Motors engine in it, so it has a little more power than your standard H3. It's clean. It's got a beautiful interior. The Carfax comes back on this one with 0 accidents, so that's good to know if you're purchasing a vehicle like me. If you think you're ready to make a move or you want to give us a call just to come take a look, our number is 814-746-4213, or you can visit us at nfiempire.com, and hope to see you soon.